What's up, my boo babies? It's your girl, Baby Wooda, and I'm back with another banger. Today, y'all, we got a review. We got a review from Chick-fil-A. I'm reviewing the new maple bacon pepper jack grilled chicken sandwich. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with any and everybody, and let them know what your girl is doing over her. And if you're my A1 Day One Stay Ones, welcome back. Yes, today, y'all, I'm fit to try out this new chicken sandwich. I'm excited. On here, it got the bacon and maple. It got pepper jack, the grilled chicken, lettuce, and pickles. Which I'm going to take the pickles out and put them to the side because I like my pickles on the side, not on my burger. So, we fit to get into it. We fit to get into it. We fit to get into it. It don't got no mayo on it, but we fit to try it out. Oh, if y'all had this sandwich before, put it in the comment box down below. And if y'all seen this at Chick-fil-A before, put it in the comment box down below. And yes, I'm trying this in the car because it's a rainy day, number one. And number two, I want my sandwich nice and hot. So let's get into it. Get a bite, get a bite, get a bite. So good. It's good. That bacon, that maple bacon. That maple bacon is so good. You got real bacon. Drop my bacon. And that grilled chicken set it off. They put them sweet pickles on there. It's good. If y'all haven't tried this before, I suggest y'all run out and get it. I'm gonna have to get that again before they take it off the menu. And I hope they leave it as one of their menu items because it's so good. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this video, but not the love I have for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share this video with any and everybody and let them know what your girl is doing over here. And don't let me stop you from running over to Chick-fil-A and getting this sandwich, boo-boo. Until the next time, until the next review. Peace.